an explosive decompression were to occur, the immediate actions are to maintain aircraft control, to put on an oxygen mask and ensure flow, descend below 10,000 feet or minimum safe altitude, whichever is higher. The critical signs of hypoxia during an explosive decompression are an increase in heart and respiratory rates, euphoria, impairment of judgment, and memory disorders. Tolerance to hypoxia is lowered by hypothermia, fatigue, or concentration. To compensate for hypoxia, breathe 100% oxygen, descend below 10,000 feet, reduce your physical activities. Someone in a euphoric condition is more likely to be prone to error.